This is actually a new beginning. It is called Disha. It is a committee which has been constituted for district development monitoring, and it is chaired by our Honorable Member of Parliament North Goa and our Honorable Minister of State for Ayush, Shri Shripad Naik sir. The Honorable MLAs are also members. We have special representatives from NGOs as well as the SC/ST community. The basic purpose is to see that all central government schemes fulfill their objectives. We monitor the progress that various departments are making in implementation of central government schemes and ensure that the proper benefits are reaching the proper people in a time-bound fashion. There are almost 25 schemes that we are reviewing. Just to give you some examples, there is the Manrega scheme, there is the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana scheme, then the National Health Mission, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, Midday Meal scheme, all the central government schemes which are being implemented in one or the other way through various departments in our state as well. All of the central government schemes are being reviewed.
Has the government taken well initiatives to avail these schemes and all?
Oh yes. There are significant steps taken under each of these schemes, as we have been seeing in the review. Definitely there is scope for improvement, especially in better utilization and ensuring that we finish our targets on time. The target-based approach ensures that we are on track when it comes to giving the benefits to the members of the public. However, the committee is representing all sections of society, right from the political representatives to the officers and, as I mentioned, the special representatives from various segments.
आणि जो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्यो ज्यो स्किमी आसा प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटात, म्हणजे आज जवळ 15-16 डिपार्टमेंट सगळी डिपार्टमेंट तातूंत सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटची स्कीम आसतली अशें सगळे हांकां आमी आपयले. आनी ज्यो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आपल्या डिपार्टमेंटान ज्यो स्किम्स आहा त्यो स्किमीची इम्प्लिमेंटेशन कशें जाता हें पळोवपा खातीर ही आमची दिशा कमिटी आसा. एज ए मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट त्या कमिटीचो अध्यक्ष आसा, कलेक्टर त्या डिस्ट्रिक्टाचे जे सेक्रेटरी आसा.
ना पण हितूंतल्यान सान कितें म्हत्व इम्पॉर्टन्स तुमी मेंबर्सांक सांगता की कितें
केंद्र सरकार पयशे दिता आणि राज्य अपेक्षा आसता राज्य सरकार त्यो इम्प्लिमेंट बरे तरेन करच्यो. आणि त्या हितूंतल्यान इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जर पुअर जालें जाल्यार बाबा ताजेर कितें उपाय, ताजेर कितें कश्ट आसा, तांकां कितें अडचणी आसा ह्यो आमी समजून घेवन त्यो इम्प्लिमेंटेशन तेजें 100% कडेन व्हरप हो एक आमचें टार्गेट तातूंत आसता. आणि त्यामुळे जेन्ना आमी चवकशी करतात आणि चवकशी करून ताजें हें विचारतात तेन्ना ते इलेक्शन नेटान कामाक लागतले हाज्या फुडल्या क्वॉर्टर्सा. दर क्वॉर्टरा ही मिटींग घेवप अशें ऑलरेडी ह्या हितून आसा, तांच्या रुलान आसा. आणि त्यामुळे म्हाका दिसता की आज ही पयली मिटींग आसा, कमिटी जाल्या नंतर ही पयली मिटींग आसा. आणि त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या 2 वर्सांक ही कमिटी बरो रिव्यू घेवन सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटची स्किमी लोकां पर्यंत पावोवपाचें काम जें बेगीन करता.